Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you guys on how to create a function that will uh, multiply the product of the two given numbers using JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Basically, I'm using onecompiler.com. It is an online compiler that supports a wide variety of programming languages including JavaScript. So we have here function multiply, and then we have two passing parameters. We have variable a and b. And then begin. In order for us to return the product of the two number, we will be using the keyword return, open and close parentheses, a multiplied by b, close, and then console log multiply 5 and 4, that will be 20 in line number 5. Line number 8 we have multiply 6 and 7, we have 42. So we want to change the values here. Let's say we have 10 and 3 in line number 5. In line number 8 rather is 9 and let's see 4. Okay, so when I click the run button, so 10 times 3 is 30, 9 times 4 is 36. Another set of values, let's say we have 4 and 7, and then we have here 12 and 4. Okay, when we click the run button, so we have 4 times 7 in line number 5, we have 28, and line number 8, 12 times 4, we have 48. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on multiply two numbers using a function in JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.